Finally, from the look of things, you can see that the whole thing is ending up here. This building is almost down, and you can see that the whole of this place, probably people went out to do their business, and you can see what is going on. It's definitely rendering this 4-story building. You look at this. Can you see this? Can you see this? This is exactly what is going on here in Anambra State. An Hausa Fulani tanker driver has condemned buildings. This is Tony reporting for BTV. Here is Anambra State. An Hausa Fulani tanker has condemned the lives of millions and properties. Can you see this? There is no firefighters that can protect this. Here in this place, no fire. This is properties. This is property. Properties. Millions of properties being burned down by the singular act. What can these people standing here do? Nothing. Millions of businesses are being burnt. This place is motor parks. It is all completely gone. Can you see this building? There are so many people in this building now that we don't know if they have been able to evacuate them. Can you see this? The whole of this place. This is the kind of government we experience. No fire service is in Anambra State. No single fire service. None of them has shown up since this incident. Can you see this? Both bank, both business premises. It is all gone. There is none. Can you see this? The whole of this building is down. 100% down. Is down. Do you see it? This is a business apartment. This is Tony reporting for BTV. Here is Anambra State. All this building is full of business. This is where our people hold their business. And you can see how they all is a forgotten issue. This is a forgotten issue. In this state, there is no fire service that can come up to rescue this situation. No single fire service that can rescue this situation. No one. It is just started with just a tanker driver that fell down, but you can see while he's putting people, what he's doing right now. Can you see this? This is the experience we are having here in Anambra State. This is an ugly situation that is affecting millions of people. All people can do is to throw a sachet of pure water. What can pure water do in a situation like this? What can pure water do in a situation like this? What can this thing, what can the people do? They are incapacitated. They are destroyed. They don't have anything. Do you see that? Please join me as I'm bringing this update to you. We all are just standing, doing nothing because there is nothing we can do. This is the job of the fire. This is the job of the fire service men in Anambra State. Obiano said it's working. Obiano says it's working. What is happening? Does it mean they've not seen this? Since morning, does it mean they've not seen this? This is the experience people are having here. Very, very poor experience. Very, very poor experience. What can the Anambra do when they don't show any regard to what they are doing? I want you to know that this is the hope of the hopeless people in Anambra State. Since morning, it started with a tanker driver, but today, almost 10 buildings and properties worth of millions of naira.